ama chung thoro adu hai ro ai oirage hai matam na yam support tawro ngamdre khale election tawro moi manung da ko moi manung da election tawro election ji jo ngamdre election ji tawu ju ngamdre ba mo adu ngamda ta ga di asha yaro hai bane ba ko adagi di ngasai gi si yakta ta ga di ngasai gi previous CM sina mu or ko matam da di atai sina mu oppose to dori bra ko kana nom le gi hai ta di central government da ko na ga ka hai ta government from to pulau lo ka dung du no ha si da le ba mi sing du na di moi gi same party to kan pun thun bangam dar kan du da kamai to da central gi sambit pata la po du ma ngon da tai na ka dung du no hai ni da hai ba di ko the governor is the governor government ko he is the head of the government with his executive ko adana hai ba di kai gumba akhoi gi furu amana chief minister oren khale let be anybody ko mana na atop furu amana aina si pass over da kai gumba sunwai ta ba lai ni kan hai ta bias ta wini khan ni hai ta khan adung bagi kan mu lai ta di this is the right time to put forward everything anything hajab ni ko ai haju se any demand akhoi gi any party gi ko demand do adu to hojik patam sini governor na decide to bi ni aki bonta itana hoji khona biu hoji pisan biu governor si yam sharp mi mani he will act sinai se separate administration so cookie put tawsanu governor will do whatever this thing akhoi maite gi ST zone tawsi ko adagi amang so lema ai de hoji put up tabu ai ni CM ama or matam da magi burden to di later dana ha fair ore ba I think that will be justified
okay tening basina tamo hojik leiba amaina hangba question yamna powerful question ama hangi hojik popular mandate ama miyamna public mandate ama pire BJP gi favor mamang election da high mandate chi BJP gi favor da pibani aduga BJP na popular government ama hojik maintain do ngamda basi ifung na hojik ekoi MLA amagi mai ke hai basi minister amadi chief minister oining ba miji yaman badagi mukoi mayam si punma ngam dabani have a version amdi tholai how far masi campaign lo have the subject to correction but that's an opinion from one of the political actor yam active political actor amadi masi opinion jin tholai hauji hangai ba yam powerful over question jina popular government ama thambang ngam dabagi daita masi responsibility si kanana logo de have sine masi responsibility si to whom it should be fixed karamba group to not fix the whether it party ama khaki manung dal leiba legislation mayam punba ngamdabagi damak Manipur gi miyam gi democratic spirit tuna sengola khiba adugi popular government ama leita ba haba sa masi daita se kanana logudagi se
masi gi daita se sidal leiba mi sing gi daita ni akhoi gi Manipur dal leiba mi sing cha masi gi daita ni India is a country ko democratic country ni the largest democracy in the world ne ko yamna chauba everybody is free haiba ko adubu magnanimity of this country ai haije ge ko ya chuyam kano sa ai ngasi population yenge ba ko yeng ba sida akoina 1.4 billion ka harame ba ko 1.5 yodore 1.5 billion yodore kitang wale yam hegal me ba ko aduna yam chaw khab leibak sida gina chaktung phoktung loi na phangna tawraga each and every person da sagi ching se pi dana free ration ka pi dana medical card ka pi dana khonda yam gra population se tawri sa I really salute this country kyam chawge ji ying se ka ang khan je ba 30 lakhs akoi 30 lakhs rong da khang de ko 30 lakhs su da ba se sigumba state ma se akoi sing ngak bu ngam dri ne se lai ba mi sing jina and 11 times president rules se imposed to initiate da it speaks masigi lebak se sidal lai ba na akoi gi ima lebak Manipur gi macha sing se sigi personality and character se prove to we ba sida ko aduna masai gi honorable MLA Rameshor na hari ba masidi magi party gi manung da hai ba na it will be 100% correct ma de manung yaw ne akhoi yaw ke ko akhoi di observe to what ni yeng ba ur ba adu ba da ne ba akhoi di manung di yaw ga kai ngani khone khang da na te ba khang bu na te ba ko adu man hai sidi I will take it as 100% correct ko adu da masai gi among the higher dina I am seeing things now with the president ka hata president rule akhoi si thamu matam jana ai khar u phange ba adu tang ni pang ga sida ko lambi je hang do ga na adu da aphau char pom yang do no ka kau khai ga na ai harau dong ne adu I'm telling you very fact yam chaw fact am nei na ri se adu da taw kanu hype sida ko we mean business and Indian government na central government na adu proof to bu da ka le ba state government India gi se kai no ibungo se e icha kun mai kuma le re se nangina si laura nang na yum da panjau ko na cha na su pokso ko tokso ko hai na pirak pane ba ngamdra kan da su mo ai na su icha sing ngamdra na ai mateng pang kani hai bune ba ko Why we blame the center always when we cannot look after ourselves? Akoi isa sibu sinabang ngamjadraga center da sum blame tawba, center da sim blame tawba. Why? Akoi su educated over tai center na blame tawba mi sing do aduduna center na sumai tawre hai ta di kadubagi akoi sei da why adu kadubagi akoi na happen to holino. Ko akoi di wakhan lei tabro chak cha tabro adu da tahun da batai ko aduna ai wam hajage. Akoi Manipur haibasi su kamai to gebu ima le ba Manipur su macha yam pueba macha yam pu pom hum da dina transparency si yam bhajan lei batai ba everything da transparency lei batai kamai to dana budget asuk lak pase so many budget sila si budget sina se pi khare PW dana si pi re chingi na smart lei re tampaki na si lei re chingi haiba matam su district sidana si pi re MLA sidana pi re minister sina si pi re loi takto adugi budget to dagi mayam na sen mahung khangna bi da teri meri da administration ge khochang ge khanta gari then this clash de chaw to kini in due course of time aduna transparency is the only solution ko sidal leminari ba sida icha imale ba Manipur gi macha sing se sinana they need to understand let it be Meitei, let it be Kuki, Naga or anybody ko gyan ta badar ka leba okay sidal leba mi sing kina akoi na budget se pira kan sida akoi icha sing se kamai to the thak the get cook the transparency one to one community see I hajage differences kyam lai re ko differences culture the sukara mu lai re ko adagi religion the so mu lai re adagi how from job khenare adu taragati the only solution is transparency neba adu sigi transparency je pubang ngam ba bus amada mayam se loina hapaga punna pubang ngam do mi do adu dan leader ogadam neba adu pubang ngam da taragadi adu pubang ngam do se ma sina na mapukchen sengba transparent oiba ko mi furu khudi makse chap mane hana khanba adu bangam ba mi amana pubang ngam ka doi ne ba ko adu sing ngam da badagi ne hoju president rule lai se ase idea dum hairak pani president rule se ani muk som su center da su som da su BJP lai kai tham to mande ka haimni adu central government gi fairness ai haijage sim somu fairness som haijage federal rule ko na thamai rule is rule laina masagi assembly do tha taruki madung da amuk tawda ya de haidi ka do tawdri no ADC government ADC election tawda ya de hai tari ka do tawdri no rule khangdabra ko aina hangi se ko adagi Rajiv Gandhi ki matam dane decentralization of government se khoi gi decentralization yam tawmi se state ta pithopa DC ta pithopa ko to ko yam tawmi se Rajiv Gandhi matum da yam chawna tawki ba ko there are two personalities which I personality ahum le prime minister se aina mari le ba ko Indira Gandhi le re ko aduga Rajiv Gandhi Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Modi ji moi mari se yam fa respect toy ba Rajiv Gandhi su yam chaw personality amne ba world figure the international the ko international the Rajiv Gandhi and Modi moi ni se yam tina unpopular se world all over the world ko moi ni se ado aina hajari se sinida karigumba akoina lengak sema sem da ba yadre haidi democracy ni sem da ba yadre hai targadi option se kaya leira ahum nei ba option ahum sida moi myam dagi ama chung thoro ko ama chung thoro aduga hairo ai oirage hai matam na mayam support tawro ngamdren khale election tawro moi mak manung da ko moi manung da election tawro election ji jo ngamdre election ji tawu ju ngamdre ba moi adu ngamda ta gadi asha yaro hai bane ba ko adagi di ngasai gi si yagda ta gadi ngasai gi previous CM sina mu oir ko matam da di atai hina mu oppose to dori bra ko kana nom legi hai ta di central government da ko na ga ka hai da government from to pulau lo ka dung duino ha sida lei ba mi sing duna di moi gi same party to kan pun thun bangam dar kan tu da kamai to da central gi sambit pata la po tu mangon da tai na ka dung duino hai ni da hai badi ko aduna akhoi gi sida ri ba mi sing che akhoi gi sinau sing che yam gyan ta ba ka lei gyan ta da ga di se dum thokani adu ga president rule le ko matin sa di how do he is the government
adu amona ngasai highway khoi ki political characters e mawi politicians gi magi political character amadi political maturity si akhoi gi leiriba political development mayam si da reflect over having if we look back akhoi gi 1972 da Manipur statehood fange adugi mamang da even union territory leire adoi de hore cycle of defections adu 1972 da Manipur statehood phangba matung dagi haba tare akhoi gi full time 5 year gi full time se phangba government se it only in 2002 dagi lap government se if I recall it correctly 3 times adugi matung da adugi ahan base adu oidoi ne adugi mamang si da leiba every single government se ngasagi cycle of defection na Manipur gi era si ma haitare Manipur Legislative Assembly gi pura whole era si ma dum defection gi cycle si da sum leiba aduga most of the time president ru lakpagi maru ba maram sing si maru factors ji ngasai ki government sema ngamdabagi defection yam toy tawbagi ji oidoi ne and again how get BJP gumba world gi quite one of the most powerful and the largest political party in the world ne hariba adiki then Amit Shah amadi Narendra Modi gi ani ji gi character amadi moi gi personality si yamna dictatorial oiga haidana yamna mapangan yam kanba yam powerful oiba face ne hariba sugumba political party amad se Manipur yobukanda how it becomes a divided house.
Divided house haibado adu so ai moi dam blame tong ni me ai sai du concept dam tai ba sidan leiba mi sing duna adu da tang mapan da design to record nung daram da nunga la ta hayo ba list to piyo ba akhoi smana son so oirani adu akhoi myam support to na newspaper hapune ka di divided oi toino am ta hangam bra ba adu di divide oi gidra
ngamdri si kay gino
ngamdri si kay gino because the quality of those people who are staying over here say hai jage Stalin na Tamil Nadu hairo ne ko mathang da na hoji Chandrababu Naidu kai da na mathang dam yeng se ba Chandrababu Naidu kai to da na Jagannath Reddy mu kani ba yeng se ba ko ade hoji Stalin ori da na Tamil Nadu da Stalin un kar kani ba yeng se ba ko kui la bane si to ising je moi gi kanu se example ne ne picture se ko aduna masi kanu ne khoi gi personality hai tare personality akhoi gi honorable CM kanona kai hai tare ibobino nga 15 years a long time masu continuous to mi dana distinct leader ama on leader me masu ko adagi akhoi pamung disang hairo pamung disang yam khoi romi geno ha he was the prominent leader of Manipur yam sang leader ne ha aduna akhoi gi kanu se magi distinct oiba personality ama thong ta bine bam se si ma distinct ore haiba to mayam na ya ba consensus sama da lakpa ai machi ma din sina khwaji base na
tamona di hairi ba ko yam distinct oiba capable oiba competent oiba loin ma carry to ngamba na tamon hai adum ba mi do yam leiman bai oi ja la ngasai chief minister oining ba mi yam lei hai hairi da so actually is it crowded hai ta yam competent oiba mi do yam crowded oira ba la heavy question ni kari heavy ning da
sacrifice to ngamba leader yaw do sacrifice to ngamba leader yaw do prime minister ki portfolio kai ngasi what is prime minister's portfolio
nothing SS yeah
so the answer lies over here
okay
ठीक है howji ki answer do aina ibona hangiba question do adugi answer da e khumya what is the portfolio of prime minister hai sine ko adu man he is taking the bus to the mayam si tonghola cha ine ko so sacrifice to ngamba mi mo ta bani aduga adugi karigumba mana adu sacrifice to matum da sacrifice to matum da bhai itao nang si tau ta di si tau doi ni ko si tau budia de ko si tau budia de na adugi rules and regulations SOP do standing operating procedure myam do phajal semang ma mi ma sacrifice to ba mi ma adung ba leader da ka le adu ta di respect to ni the bus will go together.
Okay, thank you very much. How to see the bus is very crowded and again it is very divided, the two divided tamoda laksake ning ba maru ba wang je hojik amisana pukhalai ba wafam sini ngasai gi hoji abisana pukhalai bu wafum siga chief minister hana thamgyo poiching karai homari leine ge habu dumade amai asangi maike digi am fajan thambire but ayin tamoda lakching question sina ikoi Amit Shah pukhalakpa wafum da maroi ni yauri bise number 1 highway sima totally open to ne have masida manungda leramba bunker mayam lambi da sajanamba bunker sing piramba athingba mayam je amada leitre have je mase weather report ta yamna clear oi have ta highway sing sida hoju sikoina it's one of the biggest positive development and it's the extortion si ama pajana masi totally eliminate to gani have wafam palle ani shu wafam da mathang da ngasai FMR gi wafam aduga ngasai gi drug ki issue ama the infiltration gi wafam sing sine masida Amit Shah na thanga ibu khongthang si Manipur people gi aspiration ama the interest si pajana ihul khangna lorok step ama ne lo ya bra hoji phau da koine famjaba si aram bai tengol gi maki di statement ama adagi then Maitai Alliance haiba international Maitai gi oiba tongan bu organization ma'am amana pullaga maduda allegiance pe affiliate to organization ma'am amana pullaga semba international Maitai Alliance ki oiba chero lo mo hoji discussion to ni manung da haitare higher organization sing magi de tharak pasyo dem theng dare sumai to tonga tong organization na Amit Shah na phundu ki wafam sing adu ma lo vision sing appreciate to puri mami di tari tamo ko mai
si mira ay dum high lak poni hanan de ko central government to go daw thabak dum tawi khoi se da leiba mayam si na tawbungam da bainena ko ai billion honorable chief minister la le so hekti so ai hekti ho budai ngasi ho da ho su la le haidi adu ma gi bus to adu da man pu budi ngam tre bus ta pu ngam tre kari gi no ha do adu di ma khang ne ba mayam magi MLA mayam sing su khang mai party mayam su khang ne ka do ngam din ha do so he has to compromise on certain things magi MLA dagi minister mayam do adu da ma compromise kha to batai ba tana batai ba mai ma ko khatna yaroi ba magi advisor sing duna yaroi ba akhoi ngang ni jam important oi ni ba ko now hojik ki FMR NRC and the ka hetarang sa amado ha
FMR lai re
FMR ne
drugs
lai re
drugs loina tawni hai do
highway highway
awle import tawni hai central na tawni hai akhoi dal lai ba da yadri na tro yadri do kari no maram do pe pata bane ba ai ngam chu hai gemni lieutenant general Shokin Chauhan hai asom na kan da lai ba som na kan da lai ba mi si ga manai hai ko mana ta di mana tu da kem tong da thado do ro no there has to be some solution na hai badi cookie jo som na kan su lai re som na kan su lai re akhoi na ga isin na su na kan lai re som na kan lai re adu den thado podi ya ro he ba hai badi ai im da su ngasi thado te da na akhoi mai ting ta ni hai se ba ai kun thang ban da lai ni mai ting ta ni hai je adu thado podi ya de na kun dong du thing jan dai da na adu ki norms changna gumsi yenga gumse hai bana te ba the certain kanu do karino solution do pi batai ba ko adu thing se na certain hai matam ja kalu ya dino do phajang ngana batai dum ko adu ga sidi tore adu mutung da mo
ai ko tam ai edu question da joge tamo na tamo yam show yam to mina tamo ge gisu time and again even iko national television sing do manipur chief minister defend to ma local state ma yam na articulate phajana tawra dum phong do pose tamon thing ne so tamon je have chief minister hanagi chief minister and biren jishungla lanten if that is the case then BJP ki habitare same political party sigi manipur ki legislature ma yam sign tawra iwa home state iwa chithi ma da pan ki bo wafum ji the then chief minister of Manipur in Sina continue to serve as the chief minister adu itaragadi Manipur da Santi propang amoy adu crisis resolve to amoy na igi amu cover to
so that is the fault of billion I haije do ne ba I thai na haije drana sacrifice to ngam do ba do what I am saying is absolutely correct haidi yaro ba you have to listen to those heads also moisu lon yauri na you have to listen to each and every person adu ne ina haije se aduna ai sanga hai portfolio prime minister portfolio kai no hangi dana ko that answers everything adu kan bangam ta daga le ba adu ai have I answered your question
yes please
yes adu matung da ko hoji phalan lau thwe separate administration ne se pi na su yaro khoi so dum hai ko adu ga central government na hai le ba to be hai adu what is the problem why we are blaming the center Piro and high re, Hanjan and high re. What is the doubt? Why we are blaming the center? The cinema in Hungary said, Akogi, Arambai Tengol, Ichasing the Piri, but point mayam do, point mapando. Please follow it. Everything, please follow it. The idea of Manipur will be complete thereafter. I don't bring the Pabio. Address all the points. The idea of Manipur will be there for all the communities. I hajab ni ko. Adule sile ka donia. I wam hajage sing matang sila ko. Ying se bata se ko. World is a changing figure. 1 month len ba world se. Si siga ngasi ka kheni ba yam. Si yaning bra. World se. Tha ma si da kyam change to gap se. The world I ni sum hajadana. Geopolitics and geography is a game of chess hajab do. Adana I koi ni chess hanama tamda I na move chakani nang move now move chakani I na move chakani I na move chakani I na hana plan to mo do adu change to ne ba nang move tu matungina so the world has changed in the last 1 month very drastically sigi kanu se update se later ta kadi we will not be able to analyze the Manipur situation also masi 1 month sidati akoi ge ka heta akoi ge honorable prime minister America chalu re
it's very interesting for me. Nasi topic adi kitang di kena rane.
But we need to understand this.
We need to understand it very correctly. How's it live? Wafam Z. Nasai USA say how's it completely back out from Ukraine. Ukraine is support to how's it ceasefire deal. Koi ke Zelensky the nang region that's. Kitlaw nang region. Now Russia, China, ani magsi Myanmar gi military go military gi in favor the pro la re hauzik se footage me am thong le Russian army me am ma hauzik Myanmar da changjala ga Myanmar military gi operation ma ting ba nge even hauzik drone bombing me ma khoi gi Russian military no operate to gi footage me am thadori kamai ying be masi gi impact se kamai lak pe
impact se adum nei rakani ba si se that it will change equation se change to eba
adu
America se
geopolitics ta Manipur na sai khoi Manipur se fix to abra ha gi question de
fix to ba na ti sida lai bu na to demography to demography na proof to ini akhoi sida khoi Manipur da iba demography habadi karam kan ba proof lai ba se say the proof mayam yong na aduna ne ba I'm not talking about those people who came before 1961 I'm talking about those people who came after 1961
okay
ha adugi demography to adugi mamang da lembo demography gi idea adugi idea do adugi mamang da 61 dagi mamang di changa ba khoi indigenous na ko ba ko adugi mission dugi idea with the affinity from that side and thereafter from the changa mission dugi idea and the changing world hai tare ko because all this clash took place at the time of Joe Biden and his policy was totally different.
Exactly.
Ado the different momentum that the akhoi class so the kram kan no. Just imagine ya. Tha mari ki matung da ne akhoi Manipur da thoi do America da Joe Biden na pass to matam da act to pass to matam da lot of money were involved and it was a long time. Ado that's the high kadoshi ain high kadoshi ne ko. We have to forgive and forget. We have to forgive and forget. Akhoi jalla dum proof sing jin ko ya je. Adi chang put late ko. We have to forgive and forget. Ado matung da na se ying se ko ngasai gi hana 61 gi mamang dal dai ma mi sing se mai tei bo su ki bo su naga bo su lo ne ko moi di problem na ti ba moi di suffer to ne ba because of those people who came after 61
exactly
we are all suffering because of those people who came after 61 ado 61 se aina example yam pizza se ko akhoi gi Praja Myam su gyan ta pham jai operation have se ta to ya de ba ngasai gi not countering anybody president rule have si Joe Biden gi matam da cookie jo na yama lau hi pot amane ba 2023 da ko that time the equation was different now the equation is different so you have to see this development see ying ba ka le ba ko now what happened is 1949 the idea of Manipur kai giba because there was no king. The king was Mr. T. Kipgen. T. Kipgen was the king. MLR, LR Act was made by him. Akhoi gi lai haiba amsu le rame ba ko. Tangkhul gi lai haiba major book kathing.
Yes.
Akhoi gi awabadina. He left Manipur and went to Nagaland as chief secretary.
Exactly.
That was the main problem.
Yeah.
Maitai na apau sari gadam to hore. We thought we were very great, yeah. We akhoi de le hore. Adu dagi lakhiba sing yengo. Adu gi 1969 de idamba English to. Ai ngasi na yemu ba pa matam da ai na eba kam phaje iram ge se.
Kana iram
ba kanu na gi iram ni. Ti ki be na de ba adagi IS officer cookie myam sing iram se. Yam phaje iram ga chani. Ai ming do yuting yung de ko ai ming sing ko. Ai ngasi topic siga chana dam ni electab product ni na. Adu ni san adu iram ba chithi myam center gam da iram ba kesi pan da iram ba chithi sing de iba ba. Just see the English ya. Hoji photo iba why akhoi mai tina. What are you talking about ya? I know this is ko. Ado I mo blame to na te. Survival of the fittest, struggle for existence have ni ko. Now adu mayam si chaman inagi hai ta di. We have to follow the model of akhoi Nagaland da le se. Each and every state, each and every village of Nagaland, there was sovereign village. Ni thona panjaram bane. British lakmo matam dagi moi se moi na capture to matung da they were united by Christianity in their case. Right.
Absolutely.
Now, adu matung da what is followed in Nagaland? Moi tribal ngata ne adu ta su what is followed? ST gi kal thok hai tare moi mache on pro da basis da lo yena gre ko. So that is for the state level. State level gi wari ni. Sidai sida kanam ta da kan so ko dam na akhoi Manipur su follow to nobody nothing is going to be this thing ya kanam ta affected all ho ya ba. Now when it comes to the central government job, the Maitais are left high and dry. In my regiment, I guess you remind of Jage. Assam regiment, entire notice is the Maitai and Buyawante.
Okay.
Because we want general category.
Okay.
And OBC, we are competing in 100 crore. in the central government job. And right now, today also, Assam regiment doesn't have the quota for Meiteis. We are the Manipur is quite inflation su wangba. Paisa su leitawa, leisu hitawa. Today, if a person wants to join Assam regiment, his gimagi chance of selection is very less. See, ma'am, I understand the way Yati have got. World changing like Basa, but Yam Ganta the Yadiva. Each and every individual in educated, select my world the Kaitori College, President Tamoeta Tamuya Potiva. Let me tell you one thing, because it's a democratic country never. I don't Tamuya Dave. I know Blue Star operation game have to come. Blue Star, I don't resign to Jagge. Remind to Jageba. Blue Star operation say Yamna, Belgian Yamna, Golden Temple Mams, and Lloyd Patient Labor, at the Port Tamden Cotton Tambazilla, Udaganina High away, a lot of disturbances taking place. Come out to Shige High Matamda, General Vajana Haiba. Madam will do operation Hare. General Sundadi Mukore, Manu Haya will do operation casualty. Come out only after that the casualty will nil Nara. She become say. Adugi operation mata the 450 day hen sire army khata the 57 si adu matung da Indira Gandhi masang su mohale ko adu mata half the Delhi mata the lising tara mu sire adu matung da amo kan general vaidya do Pune da retire to matung da sabji lenga da mohale ha what is you ko adu di kam tori asomna kan da su nomai somna kan da su nomai lot of fun were floating around in this thing on the other side from where American Act Burma Act, poppy plantation, paisa, lot of turmoil taking place over there. See, Burma get turmoil, about weapons and ammunition, no problem for them. Aduki Malak to the Kamai to Dana, Akoina to the Iran should do no ba. Those people who were saying that Iran should they do not have the concept of how to finish this job. But one more thing is there. Akoigi Isa issue sing Parambasi, why they were not caught before? Because the Indian government, the central government, they understood very well that they came out for self-defense. Okay. Self-defense the top self-defense that self-defense that this is not right.
Okay, thank you so much, Samu.
Now the governor is the government. He is the head of the government with his executive. I don't have a D. Kayumba, Akogi Puru Amana, Chief Minister Orian Kale, let it be anybody. Manana, Atopa Puru Amana, I see pass over that Kayumba Sunuitaba, Laini, Kanu Hatara, biased away in Kani Haitara, Adumbagi Kanumulata. This is the right time to put forward everything, anything I have to say. Any demand, any party demand. Adu Hojik Patam Sini, Governor decide to be Akimatana, Hoju Honabu, Hoju Pishambu, Governor Siam Shabe money, he will act. Separate administration, so cookies put Tosano, Governor will do whatever this thing. Upon my taking ST so ST is one Tosi, I think Among so almost I don't put up the Yani, CM or Pomatam, Magi, burden to delay. Okay, fair or whatever. I think that will be justified.
Okay, thank you very much.